Roundtable is basically the genesis of this is to bring together the ecosystem and the manufacturing leaders like you to share what are the trends and technology trends which are impacting the manufacturing, and mainly the digitalization, which is one of the biggest trends as we see.
Very recently, we had conducted a survey right, within the country and globally on emerging trends on smart manufacturing, right? And there were revelations that came through. And one of the key things that we noticed there was whatever was a challenge last year, it may not be the challenge this year.
We are in growth phase today. Means India GDP is increasing. We have engines which is produced roughly around 90 seconds. We will be coming to less than a minute, 52 seconds.
So even before getting into implementation, we would go and have this conversation with shop floor folks. And I think as we are moving into automating XLO's journey, they are co-creators. So all plant heads, their immediate one down, and even some of those situational leaders, there's someone who's good at data, there's someone who's good at a welding process, there's someone who's good at a stamping process. Those are part of the core team.
If we look globally, EU has these, it's more like a front runner of regulations and everything. In 2026, they have this carbon tax regulation that's coming in, which means that manufacturers will have to pay carbon tax for anything that moves across borders that's either procured or manufactured in their facilities.
There is no easy button. I think people think I'll just digitally transform and the world's going to be a better place. I wish I could tell you just implement our MES solution and things will be perfect, but that would be disingenuous. The good news is, with things like smart manufacturing and digital transformation, there are huge return for your businesses that you can find. I think the key, and it's been said a lot this evening, is each company is different. You're all in different situations. So start with what are the biggest problems we're wrestling with? Which ones have the biggest return? If I can solve this problem, start there, and those are the problems you tackle first, and find the right partners.